Here I'm going to design one block with some properties. We'll take a small line of 10 distance and one 10 distance here, and we're going to connect these two lines with each other, and I'm going to mirror this complete object from this point, enter, and I'm adding one circle here of some radius. Suppose it will be 1 inches, and trimming some area from here. So I created one valve here, and I will assign some property to this valve. Like, I'll just have some layer. We'll type LA, enter. We can create a layer with some name, like I'll giving a name here, valve body, and we'll assign some color. I'll take this color and do OK. And if you want to assign any line type in that layer as well, we can load the line type and we can apply that as well. So I want to give some dash line as well. I'll define the dash line here. OK. And close it. Now, before making the block, you can apply this property as well, or I'll apply the layers from here. So I've given some property. Now I'll convert this object into a block. We'll type B, enter, and we'll define the name of this block. I say this ball body, and we'll define a pick point, and we'll define the selected object, and we'll do enter and do OK. Now to use the list property tool, we'll insert the block. We'll type I, enter, and we'll insert the block from here. For seeing this option, we'll go to the list property option and we'll select the block, and we can see here that whatever the object type and layer and colors and other things. Or we can type xlist, enter, and we'll select that block body, and we can see the detail of this block here. This is how we can use xlist property tool option.